point of view, appear to be widely separated in space, like New York and Chicago, just take, from a microscopic point of view, might actually be contiguous and touching one another.
Alright guys, so we got some new wheels for today. Had them for a little bit. It's finally ready to put the wheels on since it's a lot warmer and nicer out in April. Right now the wheels I have are the stock ones from Alex's Golf. He has his new wheels on. They're like XXRs or something. And they're have some pretty good meat to them. Anyway, these are the new wheels. They're Alzors from ECS Tuning. I believe they're 18 by 9.5 squared setup, 35 offset. They have like two 15s on, so it's a pretty good amount of stretch. They'll look good for a nice stance for the car since it is lowered. Alright, so this is how the car currently sits. Probably have to raise it a bit before we roll the fenders in, and maybe we have to pull them. I don't know yet. There's gonna poke out a lot in the front, so not too sure. And for the fronts, I have to get some spacers. These are about 13 millimeters. They're from 42 Drop Designs. I needed them because the wheels are like hitting the strut. To clear the strut, I was gonna do 10, but then it was like a little bit too close, so I just went 13. I have a spacer now. So I'm just gonna take a wire brush and just go around the hub just before putting on the spacer so that it doesn't seize up on it. Alright, after getting a little bit of wire brush in there, stick it in there. Should fit nice and firmly. Is it on the hub? Got the first one in. It's pretty, it's poking a lot, but it's pretty cool. Let's get the rest of it in. Alright guys, so we got both wheels in now. As you can see, the front has like what I want, kind of like that nice like poke to it. The back I still need to get spacers for. See, maybe I'll get like some 25 millimeter spacers, so I can be nice and like poke. So get these bad boys on.
Alright, so pretty much we're trying to get the wheels back on before the car meet tonight. Alex is only partly salty because Lucas keeps using the car jack.
See how high tire got? I'll run them one out.
Hit it, baby.
Alright guys, we're putting her in now. 1, 2, 3.
Alex, you gotta get the jump man.
Veer.
Found it?
Josh, come here. Look at it on camera. No spacers in the back yet. That'll look way better soon. Spacers in the front. Here's Lucas's GLI after all that.
Ham. Wheels off, wheels off.
It's a beautiful day. It's nice and warm. Josh's car is like monster truck status right now. Literally fit like 3 fingers in there. Oh yeah. Good job, Alex.
You can see it from monster truck.
Guys, I'm finally gonna be stance boy. It's a good day. Alright guys, the wheels are put on. The rub's a little bit in the front, but as expected, we're gonna roll them tomorrow maybe. I don't know if we're gonna film it or anything, but tomorrow I'll definitely do some rolling shots with it, see how the outcome is. Josh is pushing his Miata. Josh, you can't even push a Miata.
go.
It's like the latest car. I'll help you out here. There we go.
There it goes.
So tomorrow when it's brighter outside, do some rolling shots for you guys. And yeah, the only thing I need still is just some spacers. I'll get like 25 millimeters. And Josh's bridge now or something. What?
Please get this shot.
All right. All right, guys. We got the setup done. Come in the front. Don't mind the bumper being off right now. Just
running that haggard look, you know, for now.
yeah, it's in the front. Fenders rolled.
Got the fenders rolled and some mad stretch.
So it's literally just like I don't really rub that much. So
Again, these are with Raceland Ultimas, right?
Yep.
This is what they came out to. You could still slam them a little bit more in the front. The back we're gonna work on.
This is with 25 millimeter spacers. I got them on from 42 Drop Designs. It's a perfect poke for that nice setup. And if you look at the side view of the car, I'd say it's
10 out of 10 for the Racelands.
I'd say ride nice and stiff. I can go pretty low.
Yeah, good ride quality. They're stiff, yeah. And I mean,
I got
you can still slam them. Yeah, so soon you guys will see his new bumper and everything. This thing will
Not
be
really
finished.
that soon, but no, the next plan's in intercooler, guys. It's gonna go right here.
And in case you want another view on how low it is,
You can see the
that's how low it is off the ground. So be careful with these race lines. Now we're gonna do some rollers.
Gonna have Alex drive it now. And also has an exhaust leak. Nice and fat. Dude, they're beautiful. Oh yeah, it's that stance. It's looking really haggard, but once I get the front mount, it'll look beautiful. Look very nice.